All right, guys, so I'm here in my parking garage and I go start up the car, get it warmed up, and I gotta go get some dog food. And for some reason, I'm getting a weird sound back here. I thought I ran over something and it was just debris in the tire, hoping it was something that I could find. I seen the CV boots, they're fine. I kind of thought it was the front caliper, not the caliper, but the splash shields in the back. Maybe they were rubbing and everything seemed fine. And then what I did is I parked the car up there. It's a little downhill right here. And then I put it in neutral and I coasted the car down while I'm outside to replicate it. And I'm getting some weird noise back here. So I'm gonna do that and let's try and hear it real quick. All right, it seems like it's only in like going forward, not even in reverse, unless I'm not going fast enough. And plus I gotta go get gas right now. All right, so super weird. Well, I couldn't really hear it a lot right there, but you could kind of hear some type of like metal on metal action right there. So I'm gonna start the car, drive around, and it's gonna be a lot more loud. Let's see. Right there, that ticking noise. Man, it kind of seems like the rear wheel. So I'm gonna get back to this video, gonna take off the wheel and see if there's anything weird back there. But yeah, kind of frustrating. All right, guys, so I ended up getting dog food, but I used the DA. But I'm gonna end up just taking off this wheel, and I'm gonna see if the actual spacer is loose, because that's about the only thing I can think of, because it's something that has to do with the rotation. So I'm either thinking the spacer is loose, which hopefully it is, and I could just tighten it up, because they do recommend that you have to tighten them up after you drive on them for a few hundred miles, and then you retighten them and then you're good to go. And I haven't done that yet, so yeah, I'm kind of paranoid, and I don't want the wheel to fly off, so I'm gonna make sure of that. And then if it's not that, it's gonna be possibly the wheel bearing. And if it's not that, it's gonna be basically something on the tire that I cannot see without taking off the actual wheel. So let me get it up in the air and we'll check it out right now. What the? Alright guys, so when I took them off the first time, they came off effortlessly. So they were all loose. I'm gonna go check the other ones right now and make sure that they are good. But let me test drive it. I think that was my issue. Alright, so let's test drive it. And it is good. It's fine. All right guys, so that's gonna be the little video. Make sure you torque your lug nuts.